Hi there, I'm Jim. I got my Phoenix last July and I've been through 15 treatments. I did 12, took a short break, and started up again. And it did take a little while for me to start seeing results. But once they started, I'm very, very happy with how this device is helping me out. This Phoenix is the bomb. I have seen increase in girth and a little increase in length, both flaccid and erect. My wife has noticed the differences, and once the differences started to happen after the 12th treatment, they are steady, and just the fact that I'm seeing them is making my mind go crazy. So my libido is greatly increased, which, gee, that helps strength, erection strength, it helps performance, helps excitement. So Dustin, I can't thank you guys enough. If you haven't ordered one of these things and you're even thinking about it, I'd highly recommend going for it. Thanks.